Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're not receiving the CIBC notification, first open your phone settings, then search for notifications and make sure that the notifications are enabled for the CIBC app as well. If not, make sure to turn on the allow notifications on. After that, go ahead and disable any battery saver or power optimization for the CIBC app, as this can block notifications. Then open the CIBC app and check that the alerts are turned on inside the app settings. After that, log out of the app and log back in to refresh notification problems. After making these changes, restart your phone and test again. And that's it. Subscribe